I know you want to grow an Instagram account to make money on the side or even quit your job. And I already made a video about one of my accounts that makes me money so you can copy my tactics. And I will make a second part to that one soon. But this video will be a little different, showing you how to find a niche to creating an avatar to uploading your video. Okay, now buckle up while I show you every step in detail, so you can do the same, bro. If you're watching this, you probably wonder what to do now. I mean, I didn't know anything about AI or creating content, but now I am sitting here creating videos about different topics. But how can you find a topic or niche you can make videos about? Let me show you in step 1, finding a niche. You want something that not only interests you, but has the potential to attract a large audience. This can be anything from fitness, travel, and motivational content to more specific niches like AI avatars, which I chose for my channel. I would really recommend you to have your own AI avatar, as it helps you to connect with your audience way better and helps you when you want to sell something to them. I will show you in the next steps how to create your own avatar. To find your niche, you can either brainstorm and create a list with different accounts from different niches that already work on Instagram. Or you can go to TikTok and watch some videos and try to get ideas here. TikTok can be really helpful because most people just upload their videos on TikTok to make quick money, but they don't realize that they could make thousands of dollars on Instagram as well. I combined the accounts I found with the help of ChatGPT. For example, I thought that Ray William Johnson really makes amazing videos on TikTok, but he doesn't upload any videos on Instagram. So I asked ChatGPT for viral niche ideas and even asked if an account like Ray William Johnson would be a good idea. ChatGPT gave me really great ideas for my account. You can even ask it more specific things like how to structure the videos or what kind of topics would go viral. You can use ChatGPT for most of my videos and new account ideas. So, take some time to brainstorm what topics you're passionate about or what aligns with popular trends. The goal here is to create content that people genuinely want to engage with. Once you've picked a niche, it's time for step 2, researching content ideas. I mean, after finding your niche, how do you know what to upload? I start to look at similar accounts in my niche and see what works for them. You can use tools like Instagram's Explore page, hashtags, or even competitor analysis tools like Not Just Analytics to identify high-performing posts. But don't just copy what others are doing. Try to identify patterns in popular posts. What type of images or videos do they use? I always take top-performing videos from other accounts and ask ChatGPT, what would be a great idea for my own video when you analyze these topics from other accounts? And boom, there you have your viral ideas in just a few seconds. After you've picked your niche, step 3 is creating your scripts. A well-crafted script is essential because it's the foundation of your content. When I started, I found that scripts with a clear structure and engaging storytelling kept my audience hooked, which is crucial for growth. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Ask ChatGPT to start with a hook that grabs attention within the first few seconds. This could be a surprising fact or a powerful question related to your niche. Next, dive into the main story or message you want to share, keeping it concise and engaging. Finally, end with a call to action. This can be as simple as asking viewers to follow or comment on your post. But try to put in some personality in the script. So don't just copy and paste the script and use your own ideas to perfect the script. And yeah, that's kinda it for the script. In step 4, we will create our AI avatar. If you're using an AI avatar like I do, this is a powerful way to make your channel unique and memorable. And you have to use an avatar that is fitting to your niche. So for example, for AI videos, use an AI avatar that looks more like a cartoon like me. And for a true crime story, we will create something more realistic and dark. Just ask ChatGPT for an idea how your avatar should look like. Take that prompt and go to Leonardo AI. For a realistic AI avatar, choose the cinematic Kino style and input your prompt. Click Generate, and Leonardo will create an avatar for you. Sometimes they can be ugly as hell, but after a while you will get a good-looking man like this. As a special tip, take that image and put it into CapCut Image Upscaler to get an even crispier image. And there you have your avatar. This one is an avatar that I created for the community, and I showed the process in even more detail. The community will start in a couple days, so there will be a link in the description or a Discord waitlist, so just join either of them. Thank you. Okay, now, we have our avatar, we have our script. What now? Let's go to step 5, making our avatar talk, like this hot man you are watching right now.
Hot damn!
This involves adding both voice and movement to create a natural, engaging presence. For voice, you have a few options. You can either record your own voice or use an AI-generated voice that suits your avatar's personality. Platforms like 11 Labs allow you to create a high-quality AI voice where you can choose different tones, accents, and styles. If you want a truly unique sound, you can even train a voice model based on a sample of your voice, or another voice that fits your avatar's personality, but you have to pay for that. So just choose one of the voices in the library. After picking a fitting voice, put in your script and generate your sexy voice. Once the voice is ready, syncing the avatar's mouth movements to the audio is crucial. Platforms like DID and Synthesia provide realistic lip syncing and facial expressions. But after testing it all, Hagen is the only one that is free and also has the best results. But you can test out different platforms. For this video, I will choose Hagen. First, upload. You AI avatar as an image and let the AI analyze your character. Then, delete the given audio and put in your own audio script from 11 Labs. As a tip, this depends on how you want to structure your videos, but I want my character at the bottom of the video. To avoid the watermark of Hagen, just make your avatar a little smaller. We will fix that while editing the video later. Now click on Generate, and in a couple minutes, you will have your talking AI avatar. Of course, because it is free, the quality will not be that great. So to make that a bit better, without having to pay for anything, go to CapCut Video Upscaler and input your video here. By doing this, CapCut will double your video's quality, so you don't have to pay for anything. Come on, this is a great tip, so like and subscribe just for this. And just like that, we have our talking avatar. This will always be different from niche to niche, but this is the best. With this, we can start with step 6, pre-work to editing our video. What the hell do I mean? If you want to tell stories like Ray William Johnson, we will need B-roll images and videos. But for most videos, you will need B-roll just to keep the viewer more engaged to the video. That's why I use all the clips and memes in this video to keep you guys hooked so you watch to the end.
Yeah, boy.
For some niches, you can go to TikTok and look for the topic of your video and download videos that would fit to your niche. This is the easiest way to get B-roll material for your videos. But of course, it doesn't work for every niche. For example, for AI videos, you can also just create your own B-roll by testing the AI tools, or just go to YouTube and download videos that are already made by other creators or the YouTube account of the AI tool. For this niche, we will create the B-roll material ourselves by using AI image generators, so our videos will be unique as possible. So try to be different than you inspiration and take the best things out of many different people. Okay, let's freaking go. I always go to ChatGPT and ask for fitting images I should create, and also when I should use real images from the actual case. With that information, I go for the hunt for fitting images on Google first. After finding some images that would fit to the story, I try to create images that would make the video even more engaging. So scenes that I can't find on Google. Let's go to Leonardo AI and use our prompts from ChatGPT to create fitting images. These images will only be images with no face. For that, we have different AI tools. But let's try one image as an example. Choose a fitting model and type in the prompt. Some images will probably be bad, and sometimes the AI will not let you create the pictures because you use bad words. For that, we go to RenderNet AI. Here we can create similar images, but they will have consistent images and faces. For that, paste in the face of the victim or the people you are making a story about and describe a situation you want these people to be in. Here you can do anything you want, but don't be freaky, you weirdo. With your avatar, voiceover, and visual elements prepared, it's time to bring everything together in the editing process. This stage is where your video truly comes to life, so taking the time to perfect it is essential. To start, open your video editing software. This could be Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or in my case, CapCut, depending on your preference. Begin by creating a new project and importing all your assets, the avatar footage, B-roll clips, voiceovers, and any generated visuals. Once everything is imported, set up your timeline by dragging the main avatar footage into place. This will serve as the backbone of your video. As you go through your script, trim any unnecessary pauses or mistakes to keep the pacing tight and engaging. With your main footage laid out, it's time to add the B-roll yeah and. For example, if you're discussing the capabilities of AI tools, include a short clip of someone interacting with technology, or showcase a unique image generated by Leonardo AI. For our true crime story, add the images you created to fitting positions. Transitions are another important element in the editing process. While it's tempting to use flashy transitions to grab attention, simpler effects or cuts are often more professional and less distracting. Try to make an edit every few seconds. Now put in text when a perfect moment comes, and also create subtitles using CapCut. These will also catch the attention of the viewer and make them watch the video to the end. Last things you can do now are putting in a filter and changing the video setting a bit to make the video look even better than the competition's. Try to keep the video under 40 seconds. If the videos are too long, less, people will watch it to the end, and that will destroy your watch time. Then add a song that fits to your video, and that's it. You have your first own videos that will make you a millionaire.
I'm out of here.
What now? Download your video and transfer it from the PC to your phone using Dropbox. This is the best way to transfer your videos without losing quality. Okay, after creating your first video, what now? How will we go viral? Wait, let me check ChatGPT for the next part. Prepping your account, uploading. Yeah, okay, let's go with that. So, in my last video, I walked through how to create your Instagram account. If you haven't seen that one yet, make sure to check it out for the full step-by-step guide, but I can show you real quick how to choose a name and get a valid bio. So for the name, the best way is ChatGPT. Just ask to create a name in your niche and give it a couple ideas. Now there are a few bad names, but choose one that fits to your niche and something you like. Now you have your account and have to create a bio. This is no magic. Just let the bio say what your account is about. So for me, it would be something about crime and AI maybe. Now, before we upload our video, there's an important step: warming up your account. You can't just throw the video into Instagram and expect a viral video. So after creating your account, first use the account like a normal human for a couple days. Look for accounts in your niche, follow them, like their videos, and just act normal, man. If you don't, Instagram will think that you are a bot, and not even your mother will watch the videos. Head to the plus icon on Instagram, select your video, and get it ready for posting. But we're not stopping there. To optimize our reach, we'll use AI tools to craft a caption and find the best hashtags for our niche. Okay, maybe I am just lazy as hell, but I just use ChatGPT to write my captions. These days, the hashtags aren't that important. That's why all the informations should be in the captions. So important keywords should be in this text. Also, put in a call to action to make the people follow and like. Now go to other big creators and see which hashtags they are using in their viral videos. That's kinda it for description. Okay, with our generated captions and the hashtags, just add them while creating the video. You can also add a thumbnail or just choose a moment from the video that would make the people click on the video. Then before uploading, you have to change some settings here. Just do what I show you. For example, select to upload in the highest quality, so Instagram won't lower your quality to safe data. After doing that, you can upload your first video, and that's it. You just uploaded your first video. But what now, your first video is up and is getting a few views? Don't just go offline and wait to get your views. Now is the time to be active and look for more content. Engage with comments, still use the app like always, and hope for your video to go viral. If you upload and go out of the app, Instagram will think you are a bot again. Don't treat it like your side chick and drop it instantly. From now on, you will upload daily, every day a video, and always analyzing what kind of content performs the best. This is not an easy and fast way to make money. This is a grind you will keep up for weeks or months until you go viral and see the first dollars rolling in. But it's worth it. I will probably make a separate video about all the ways to make money very soon. But if you want to, you can click the link in the description. I already made a long video about it in the community. Now also, after publishing a video, you will click on the video and upload it in the stories. This will also help your videos to go more viral. But don't just repost. You have to add additional information in the story to make the people keep clicking on the stories. And that's it. Most YouTubers waffle so much about stuff that is not important that I thought about just making a video like this that gives you all the informations to start your Instagram account. If you want me to make a longer video and show you how to edit or create an avatar without any editing, just comment down below and I will make a video about some of your ideas. Hopefully this video helps someone to make their first money. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the link down below. See you next time, guys.